Hi, I'm Higinbotham. I'm an associate research scientist in the Department of Orthopedics here at Denver Health, and I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about my pilot study grant project where I'll be building statistical shape models of the healthy hand. So to start, what is a statistical shape model? So I'm going to start with an example of the knee, so the distal femur. People are maybe familiar with this. So bones can be longer, they can be shorter, they can be wider, they can be thinner, but things that some people don't necessarily think about all the time are kind of the smaller details in the bones that make them unique to each person. So bones have their own unique little grooves down the center, they have their own little unique bumps, and everybody's are slightly different. So really what a statistical shape model is we take a CT image and we create a 3D computer model, and then we essentially build out a map of where are all the differences around the bone, or what makes this person's bone unique. And if we take enough of those images from across the population or a whole community, we can then essentially establish a map that builds out where are the differences across all of these different people. And we can look at the effects of things like age, sex, ethnicity, BMI, and all these interesting metrics that make people unique. And so now why the healthy hand? So we're investigating the hand because if you include the wrist, there's 29 bones in the hand. And it's primarily the appendage that we use to interact with the world around us. It's what we use to hold our children's hands. It's what we use to drive our cars. It's what we use to do our jobs. So getting our hands back to full function after a fracture or some other type of injury is very important. So ideally what we hope to do with this project is map out all of the differences that make our community here in Denver unique and essentially use those to create personalized surgical interventions and use them for screening for degenerative diseases like osteoarthritis so we can catch them early and intervene before they affect people's lives. As a learning health system, Denver Health is committed to making an impact in the community's lives and investing in projects like these that can be a foundation for a lot more down the road. So stay tuned.